Hi, so we're going to go over morning meeting. So I hope you already did it, and I'm just going to tell you the answers so you can check your work. So the pattern, of course, you put the date, like today was 12/2/20. I'll go ahead and write that in, but you do the date you did it, okay? And now we're going to work on the pattern. 314, 313, 312. You can tell that every time it goes down by 1. So we want to put the rule as -1. So after 312 comes 311, 310, 309, 308, 307, 306. So this is what yours should look like. Remember, you can always pause my videos if you need to. And I see a pattern 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 0, 9, 0, 8, 0, 7, 0, 6. You have to have those zeros there to fill those place values, right? If you don't have any 10s, you have to put a 0 there to hold that place. Okay, let's go to the time. The time is 1:40 and it's nighttime. So is that AM or PM? Well, that can be a little tricky. If it's nighttime, it means it's dark out. And at 1:40, if it's dark out, that's actually an hour and 40 minutes after midnight when you're sleeping. So we would consider anything after midnight AM. So there you go. You should have had AM. And 1:40 on the clock, we want to put the shorthand between the 1 and the 2, a little bit past halfway, because it's still in the 1 o'clock hour. It's on its way to 2. And then the 40-minute mark is the long minute hand, and we put that at the 8, and we make sure it touches the number. 1:40. Okay, let's do the money. We have 5 quarters, 0 dimes, 2 nickels, and 0 pennies. So we have a total of 7 coins, and we're going to go down here in the workspace and draw 5 quarters. And 2 nickels. So it's important that you write their amounts inside, so when you're counting, you don't forget what you're doing. And don't forget to circle 4 quarters. Those are $1 right away. You know that 4 quarters equals $1. So you can do that. So you can say $1, $1.25, and then you have to switch to 5s when you're counting, or count by 5. So after 25, if you count by 5s, what comes next? 3, 35. So $1, 25, 30, 35. $1.35. So we're going to write the $sign, $1, a decimal, and 35. And the other way of writing that is 135 cents. Okay? Right here. 62 is our number of the day, and we can come up with something. How about 40 plus 12? No, that would only get me to 52. How about 40 plus 22? Let's see. Does that work? 40 and 20 is 60, and 0 and 2 is 2. Yeah, that works. Let's take a look at the temperature. Let's see. The temperature today, right now, when I'm doing this, is 32 degrees. That's freezing. When it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit, that's freezing. And we haven't learned this yet, but 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the same as 0 degrees Celsius. So, fun fact. But we will learn Celsius later. Okay, back to our problem of the day. Angelo had 3 quarters and 4 dimes. So I'm going to draw that down here in my workspace. 3 quarters. I'm going to write 25 cents in each one, and 4 dimes. I'm going to draw 4 more circles and put 10s in them, because dimes are worth 10. He gave his sister a quarter, so I'm going to cross out one of my quarters, and 2 dimes. So I'm going to cross out 2 dimes. Write how much Angelo has left in 2 different ways. So this is what helped me solve my problem. I drew a picture, 3 quarters and 4 dimes. He gave 1 quarter away and 2 dimes away, and this is what he has left. 25, 50, 60, 70. Remember to switch to tens when you get to the dimes. So he has 70 cents, which we would either write with 70 and a cent sign or a dollar sign, a 0 in the dollar spot. You have to hold that place when you do these dollars. And a decimal and 70, 70. All right, I think that takes care of our problem of the day, or morning meeting work. Okay, bye-bye.